Alright guys, one more coat of primer. I gotta have this fan on so it doesn't get oversprayed on the rest of the cars. So, wish me luck. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's the next night, so if you guys haven't noticed, we are priming. Actually, this is actually my second coat. I wasn't really thinking of shooting a video tonight, but I just said, what the heck. So, like I said, we usually do 3 coats of primer. And then after that, I'm just gonna let it sit overnight. Wednesday night, I gotta go to Roberts to go talk to the guy. We're gonna try to put that truck in the booth. I think in the last video I showed you guys, I tried putting it in by myself. It just wouldn't work out. So, called the guy up. The guy says, don't worry, we'll get it in. We're probably gonna have to move a bunch of stuff out of the shop in order for us to do that. But, you know, we're gonna have to do what we have to do. So, the guy looks like he's really wanting to paint the truck this year or beginning of next year. That way it's one less thing he has to worry about when he puts it together. So, like I said, I gotta go tomorrow. So I was gonna prime that basically tomorrow, but it doesn't look like that's gonna happen. So we're gonna have to wait until Thursday, which the guy's gonna drop off the car Thursday night probably, or not, Thursday morning. And then we'll get the color matched. Go ahead and jam it first, put the hood on, sand down the hood, sand down my fenders, take the bumper off, and basically get it ready for prepping. And we might paint that Friday night, if not Saturday morning. But I'm hoping to paint it Friday night, so that way Saturday morning I can come in, do the polish work, get it all put back together, and go from there. So, like I said, this job as well is a quick flip. So, I'm trying to get that done. I still got a lot of other things. As you guys haven't, I don't think I showed you in the video, but we actually got a shop, and it's pretty exciting. If it's on my Instagram, ToxicGrimDesigns, you should have seen it. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to take another video of the shop, do another video of the shop tour. Sorry, it was a long day today. Show you around the new shop. So. I'll be hanging around there a lot more to try to get that Honda done because I want to get it done before summer. So, and it's going to be a lot of late nights and early mornings, maybe some days, and long weekends for that car. But back to this, I'll probably put you on the last clip. I'll probably just leave it on normal speed, so that way you guys can kind of see how fast the process is of me priming, basically doing 1 coat of primer. So you gotta let at least 15 minutes in between coats to let the primer dry, because if you don't, you put it wet on wet, it's just not gonna work. And it's gonna backfire on you in the long run. So yeah, like I said, I got 1 more coat. I'll put you in the last, God man, I can't even think today. I got 10 more minutes before I put the last coat on. So, just wait until the next clip and we'll go from there. Alright guys, 1 more coat of primer. I gotta have this fan on so it doesn't get oversprayed on the rest of the cars. So, wish me luck. Alright guys, just finished up. Gotta go clean my gun now. So I'm gonna take you to the paint room and get this gun cleaned. So, sorry if it's dark out here. I know you can't see shit, but like I said, we gotta clean this gun. In order to keep a nice and healthy gun, you want to maintain it all the time and get it cleaned every time you use it. So, a lot of people, sorry about the angles, you know, a lot of painters go through guns like no other because they don't take the time to properly clean it. And that's what causes them to buy, let me set you up. I need to get this way. So that's what causes them to basically having to buy rebuild kits all the times because they don't keep it maintained. Usually what you like to do is take this off, take the needle out, take the spring out as well, clean the inside, clean the tips. That's going to maintain the gun really well. I used to take this all apart every time I used it. It would take me about 20 minutes to clean it, but we're just going to do a quick clean because it's not that dirty. So yeah, first take off your tip. You're going to take off this one tool, and that's your tool to take it off. I like to put this kind of tight. Take that out. Oh man, that's tight. Ooh, put that tight. Holy shit. I don't know if I'm gonna get the needle out. There we go. It's usually not supposed to be that tight. So yeah. And then take your needle out just like that. So yeah, that's basically a bare gun. Usually you can take these out as well, clean them up, but we're not gonna do that. I usually like to clean this once a month, really clean. The rest we just clean it like that. So I'm gonna take some gun cleaner. There's also a bucket of lacquer right there that I like to clean with. So usually I use this for my tips and places that I can't really get into. I like to dip my gun in that lacquer. Take brushes like these. They have cleaning kits for your guns, so you can buy those anywhere really. eBay, paint stores, like I said, anywhere. So yeah. So yeah, that is basically a clean gun. As you can see, there's not really any prime marks in there anymore. So this part is done. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean this tip right here. Same thing. That's usually what I use this for, is to clean my tip really well. And the rest I just soak in lacquer, because that stuff right there is pretty expensive. So I usually just like to clean my tips with them, because it actually gets in those parts in places that you can't really get into. So yeah, like I said, a quick clean like this usually takes about, you know, around 5 minutes, I believe. Like I said, you're not really fully cleaning it. You're just getting it so the primer doesn't dry in your gun. I had that happen a couple times, and any painter that says they never had primer stuck in their gun is a bunch of liars, because all of us at least done it once. Like I said, you live, you learn, and yeah, so believe it or not, you guys, like I said, this is a primer gun, but I actually done a lot of paint jobs with this gun, all the way down from primer, base, sealer, and clear. So this gun has done it all. Now I can tell you that, sorry, I'm just rambling around, but that, you know, they make certain guns for certain reasons, and that part is actually true, because this needle right here, it puts out the most material on primer, and then you have your base gun that puts out less material, and your clear gun that puts out even material. So correct me if I'm wrong, but that's basically the steps of it. So you have like basically 3 to 4 different guns for everything. But like I said, this gun literally has done it all for me, and you know, I'm happy with it. The painter here, he actually told me, he says just use your primer gun, because I've done it before. He's done the same exact thing when he first started here. Because one thing I can tell you guys is these guns ain't cheap. You should go for the really nice high quality Sado ones. They can range anywhere from $800 to $1,200 each. And as you can see on that shelf right there, he's got a lot, and he uses them all, you know, so can't really say he doesn't use them. So yeah, he probably has about, you know, what should I say? Let's say they're each $800. You know, he probably has about like $5,000 right there, maybe close to it, just in guns. So yeah, what I'm doing right now, you guys, I'm trying to clean this. Let's see if it'll focus. The primer right there. Trying to clean that up. And it's kind of going. Yeah, like I said, it's going to be a long video. Sorry. But I'll probably just skip it after this. Like I said, I just got my spring that I'm going to do. But I just want to show you basically the benefits, downfalls of cleaning your gun and not cleaning your gun. Different types of guns that you can use. So yeah, but looks like we're almost there. So yeah, this is another quick tip for you guys as well. So it's not clean. You can see there's still some, let's see, still some primer right there, but the holes aren't blocked, so that's good. That's what I'm really looking for. Usually when I deep clean this, all this will be gone. But like I said, I'm just gonna do a quick clean because I gotta head home and go hang out with my wife. So yeah. And then I usually like to even it out the best I can. Boom. Even. So I'm just gonna clean my spring really quick. Make sure that's nice and tight. And then all right. So one trick that my teacher actually taught me 8 years ago in Wild Tech, is to pull the trigger all the way back, tighten up your handle right here until you can kind of feel pressure, and right there I feel pressure, and then use your locking nut, lock it in, and that's basically gonna adjust your needle without you having to mess around with it. That's basically like a simple adjustment. Every time I use that adjustment, it's always helped the gun out a lot. But that is basically a clean gun. So I just wanted to show you that step. Basically, just do a maintenance on the gun as well. But I am going to head home. Like I said, I'm going to go hang out with my wife before it's time to go back to work again tomorrow. So that's going to be it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm going to go and clean up a little bit. Probably see you tomorrow in the next video. So peace.